Flow has landed themselves a winner for the Flow Fantastic Promotions, an all-expense-paid trip. Visit Old Trafford, home of the legendary English Premier League club Manchester United, Man U, to watch them play Watford FC. How cool is that? We've got Flow Fantastic Promotion winner Alex Perkins and head of retail and TV marketing at Flow, Kim Lee. Good morning to you both.
Good morning.
Thank you for being here. Y'all is all up in the sports, as usual, Kimberlina. And here you go again.
Trust me.
Look here, this football thing is getting out of hand.
Listen, I feel like we live it, breathe it, everything. We are just like football. But the good thing is that it connects with our consumers because they love some football too.
Of course.
So our relationship with the Premier League is one where we're regional sponsors for Premier League throughout all the 13 BUs, as well as we have a relationship with Manchester United.
Oh.
So how better to close off the Premier League season than to send a lucky winner and a guest to visit Old Trafford. They're not just going to visit, though. They're going to have a full tour of their museum. They're staying on the grounds at Hotel Football, which is owned by two former Manchester United legends. And they're going to be hosted in the Warwick Suite for the game.
Alex, how do you feel? Are you going to Disneyland?
It's better than Disneyland. I'm a bit overjoyed. I'm just very grateful for this opportunity. Can't thank Flo enough for this chance to go see the team.
Have you always been an EPL fan?
Yeah, you could say that.
Yeah.
More a Manchester United fan than anything.
Yes,
yeah.
I know. What is it about this league? I don't know. It seems to have kind of gained a lot of traction in Jamaica over the last couple of years, and it seems to be at fever pitch now.
Yeah.
Yeah. You're not looking forward to World Cup?
I'm looking forward to the World Cup, but when you have a team that you love as much as I do, then you're looking forward for next season when August starts again. And
oh my gosh. Okay, so just how much do you?
World Cup is
how much do you love this game?
Well, I don't think I can really put it into words how much I love the game. I've been playing since I can remember. And,
yeah.
It's a big part of my life and brings a lot of joy to me.
Yeah. How did the mechanics work, Kim, for Alex to win this?
Well, what we had asked persons to do was, of course, fill out an entry form in the Observer and write an essay as to, why they should go and see Manchester United and send in a photo of their memorabilia. Mm-hmm. Well, Alex's photo was above and beyond.
Do you have it? Do we have it?
I don't know if they sent it in, but it's really impressive because he sent in a picture and the whole back wall was lined with jerseys and he's sitting there holding this Manchester United pillow. But it wasn't that alone.
I made that pillow 15 years ago.
You made the pillow 15 years ago?
My school project.
Yeah, so you're no wagonist in this thing. This is love.
Yeah.
This is real love. Yes,
love.
go ahead.
And then he wrote in, and then to make sure we got it, he faxed it into. He wasn't playing. He was not playing. So when we all sat together, because we had, reps from Flow, reps from British Airways, reps from The Observer, and we looked through all of the entries, his totally stood out.
How many did you get?
We've got a good portion. We got pictures of people kissing their jerseys. Some had everything they owned on.
It's a great campaign for you moving forward.
It was beautiful because, it's about the passion.
I know.
But yeah, his photo surrounded by Manchester United memorabilia was.
So you've been
really
collecting this stuff for years.
Years. And, any birthday or Christmas time comes around, that's the only present I'm getting, some Man United memorabilia.
So the people in your life know you very well.
Exactly.
Yeah, so this must be very exciting. Who are you taking with you?
Taking my dad.
Oh, is your dad a football fan too?
Yeah, I got the love of this team from him. So,
oh gosh, that's so fantastic.
Best person to take with me.
Okay, so when do you leave? How long will you be there? And your stay is inclusive of what?
Well, I leave today at 5 p.m., which is a surreal feeling, but it's coming up.
Yeah.
And we stay for 3 nights, watch the game on Sunday against Watford, and we have the 3 nights accommodation inclusive. They give me $500 spending money.
Yes, sounds good to me. I can buy a lot of shoes. On a different wavelength, apparently. Yes, yes.
Yeah, I think I have VIP tickets to the game, so
Yeah.
That'll be very nice.
Oh gosh, this is going to be a fantastic experience for you guys.
Yeah.
Document, take a lot of pictures. He has to bring proof back that he...
we're sending our social media manager with him.
Fantastic.
So he will be blogging. And you know, the sweet part about it is the young man who won the flow skills competition will be there too. So Brian Burkett, who is a St. George's boy, he will be there too at the same game. So it's pretty awesome that we have two guests, two winners and their guests there.
What did you write in your essay? I'm curious.
I wrote about the history of my love of the club, where it really came from. Basically through my father, how he started supporting the club, which was, he was watching George Best. He's a big baller back in the 70s, 60s. So you usually support the team who your father supports, and you know, I followed in the right footsteps. Yeah.
Wow, and here you are. Did you ever see yourself doing this? So it's a dream of yours, I'm sure.
Of course, a big dream. Like I say, I'm just grateful for this opportunity. Like, things like this don't come around very often, so I'm really grateful to Flow and all the other sponsors.
Kim, it's going to be fantastic for you guys to see what it means to
Absolutely.
your consumers.
Yes,
and to know that you
absolutely.
can reward them in this way.
And it's the first time that we've ever done this.
Not the last, I'm sure.
Oh no, you know, we're always thinking of something new.
I know.
We're always dreaming of something.
On the heels of this, when you come back, I'm so excited to see what you guys put out to document his experience when he goes and comes back. What else do you have in store? What's the next big thing for you guys? Yeah, I knew you were going to do that. We can't tell you. So you leave today.
Yeah.
Safe flight to you, brethren.
Thank you very much.
Kim Lee, anything to say to your customers before we leave?
Well,
it obviously pays to be on your network.
Yes, it does. Yes, it does. But you know what's great too is that whether you with your mobile phone, you can access sports, and then some sports. And with things like Diamond League and so forth, logging onto the Flow Sports app is easy as logging onto WhatsApp.
Yeah.
Play Store, code, log in, watch live. So we're here today just to reinforce our love to our consumers, as well as our reward to consumers, and let them know that, you know, be on the greatest network ever.
Alex knows that, and so does his dad. They're heading off today. Stop in with us when you come back now. And Kim, send us some pictures. We want to see how it went.
You better believe it.
Congratulations.
It's going to be awesome.
Congratulations to you.
Appreciate it.
Well done, Flo. Flo, fantastic promotion winner. Alex Perkins, and head of retail and TV marketing at Flo, Kim Lee. Take a break on Smile. Come back with more. Never needs to do some work this morning. I can't just be here doing everything with my half a voice. You're not working? No. You're dancing? Yeah. All right. He's working. So come back.